Okay, guys, so officially we got a confirmation of move 3. Friday, in the last hour of the trading session, we posted a video calling for the ultimate entry on the short side, meaning you would be buying puts when the market trades at all-time highs. Clearly, now divisions of 5,000, they're long far in the rear view mirror because now we're about to hit 49.40 here. And guys, this move expansion, right? Some of you were sitting on the fence like, Leo, you called that move expansion 80 points. You said it hasn't happened in 13 months and we're waiting for 2 days and nothing happens. That's the nature of the market. Sometimes they can pause. But on the days when the market gaps down, for those of you that are unfamiliar with the move 3, so let's glance. Basically, the first thing that happens in the move 3 formation is the market will gap down. And there were multiple reasons for that outlined in a ton of videos last week, but one of the major signs, I called it the one bearish chart, the one bullish chart that makes everything else bearish, was the chart of DXY. So notice this correlation. I posted a separate small video on this. Basically, dollar higher equates to S&P lower, okay, NASDAQ lower, and RTY, which is your small caps, right? RTY lower. So there's your correlation. If you understand that dollar breaking out above 104 is a bullish thing for the dollar, you study the history of correlations, it is actually negative for everything else. So at this point, let's go back to the chart since that's the one I was using. You could have gotten in right here at 49.97 with us. You could have been a part of the Pain Member Alert group. You could have nailed that right now. You could have been getting some real serious traction on puts we were buying for this week expiration. Now, some of you missed that, but guys, the market is about to move in a very, very wild way. So don't miss out. These are simple trades. Today alone, we're 8 for 8 trades already, not counting the trades that we have gotten in on the short side on Friday when the market looked like, Leo, it can only go higher. Shit, Leo, look at these green candles. Aren't you seeing this? How can you be bearish here, Leo? It's not going to stop until it hits 5,000. It's not going to stop until it hits 5,500. Hey, you're looking at this bullshit here Friday, and emotionally as a trader, you cannot see nothing but market going higher. This is exactly why I called the video the ultimate entry on the short side, right? This is the ultimate entry on the short side. That's it, okay? Companies are reporting good earnings, but increasingly higher costs. That's the thing that's going to be prevalent on the markets over the course of the next 12 months. Higher costs, okay? It's going to equate to less profits, less revenue, a lot less. Well, if companies are reporting less revenue, less profits, why are we fucking trading on the market at 5,000? What kind of fucking multiples are this? So all these Wall Street bullshit analysts are going to have to readjust their targets. But within that lies a great opportunity for you to make money when stocks drop, guys. So I invite you to pull the trigger. If you're looking at this entry on Friday and you're like, man, maybe I should give these guys at 13 Market Moves a call, and you just when you pick up your phone, it feels a little too heavy, and you're like, well, let me go have a fucking ice cream, or let me go do something else. Oh, my wife is calling me. Oh, whatever. Just put everything aside for 20 minutes. Do you understand, okay, that this is an easy trade that could be put in 7x in your pocket right now? This entry to this entry, depending on strikes and expirations, at a minimum is at 7x. At a maximum, I got some guys 13x right now in this trade. So the question, why did you miss it? Because you weren't focused. So you want to trade with someone who's focused, who can go on certain days 8 for 8 on all the fucking trades. You can review the videos. We've posted them before the market opened. So guys, don't miss the next move. At this point, okay, you should be figuring out, okay, what is the market going to do next? That is what you need to understand. And that's why you should understand what the hell is a 3-3-3 sequence. And 3-3-3, let me just tell you, it's a very bearish one. But within bearish sequences, you will have bounces that will cause you to lose good, solid, short positions. And instead of making a ton of money, you could end up losing money. And for that reason, you should not attempt to trade the 3-3-3 sequence on your own. You should do it with 13 Market Moves trader who understands what the fuck is a 3-3-3 sequence better than you do, at least. So, guys, with that said, don't miss 3-3-3. Doesn't happen often. It's a very powerful sequence that could lead to your account going exponentially this week. So dare to focus, dare to actually make stuff happen that 99% of the traders won't. Go to 13mmtv.com right now or 13marketmoves.com. Schedule a coaching call. Talk to a senior trader here. Position yourself ahead of what's about to happen next. Let's roll.